All right, so here we go. A little door last story. Customer states they just had brakes installed somewhere else. They were door last. The brakes are making all kinds of noise. The ABS light is on. Here we go. Let's see what happens with it. Let's see. I think I can kind of see what the problem is over here so far. See that hardware right there? It's rubbing up against the rotor possibly. Let's get this, the rotor. Let's get the caliper off. Let's get this off. And also look at this. Something's obviously rubbing up against this as well. Let's get the caliper off and see. Okay, hopefully you guys can see this. See how shiny that is? That's this piece of hardware that was rubbing up against the rotor. But I think we got more noise. Let's keep going. Okay, as I mentioned, you can see how it's scraping up the rotor. We have the hardware removed. See how shiny that is right here? Let me see if I can get a better picture. That's shiny because it's been rubbing up against the rotor